tonight on this Friday morning. Very quiet week weather-wise, other than a little bit of black ice early this morning, Michelle, and some fog. Not much to worry about so far today, but tonight and into tomorrow sounds like we've got some weather on the way.
Yeah, this system going to be coming through as a rain and wind maker for us here in southern New England. The snow is going to be confined to far northern New England, especially in the higher elevations, northern New Hampshire and parts of Vermont. Live radar right now, though, it's going to be a quiet daytime today. We do have that concern for some patchy mist and fog this morning, and that with the near freezing temperatures could lead to some patches of black ice. It's why our threat tracker is elevated for this morning. We'll drop it back down to the green for today, then tonight into Saturday morning. A heads up for that rain and wind. Here's what we're expecting from it: about 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, with the winds gusting 30 to 50 miles per hour, strongest well after midnight into the early morning on Saturday. And then the impacts from this would be some localized street flooding and some possible isolated wind damage. I don't think it'll be a widespread issue for us based on the wind gusts. We have about a half-mile visibility in the calm winds and the fog this morning in Smithfield. That's also not only the spot where we're seeing the thickest fog, it's also where our coolest temperatures are in southern New England. So the further inland that you go today, the more you're going to want to be careful for some patches of ice. We are above freezing, though, almost everywhere. We have West Greenwich and Coventry sitting at about 33 degrees. Parts of northeastern Connecticut are right near freezing, so watch as you step out onto your sidewalks and driveways in those locations. A little misty in Providence, but temperatures are in the upper 30s as we head into the day. Look for mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures are back into the 40s. Another day of well above average highs, about 43, 44 degrees for the temperature this afternoon, turning cloudy and cool by the end of the day. It does drop into the upper 30s early in the evening, but from there the temperatures rise during the night as that rain pushes in. So we are not concerned about wintry weather locally from this area of low pressure. The center of the low will lift to the north of us, but this cold front will come through, and along that front a secondary wave of low pressure will develop. So let's walk you through the forecast for this evening. Mainly cloudy skies. Again, the rain pushing in by about midnight and continuing heavy at times during the night as that low pressure lifts to the north of us Saturday morning. The strongest winds and the heaviest of the rain will quickly move out. So the second half of the day is looking much better on Saturday. It'll be mild and drying out with the mix of clouds and sunshine. Northern New England, as I mentioned, could see some ongoing rain or mixed precipitation, isolated shower in a few spots still Saturday afternoon. But the bulk of this rain, 1 to 2 inches, going to be realized in the early part of the day on Saturday before noon. As far as the winds gusts go, I have us gusting 35 to 45 miles per hour most of Rhode Island. As you get closer to the coastline and into southeastern Massachusetts, could get some gusts between 45 and 50, with the strongest wind gusts over the outer Cape, Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. Some gusts over 50 miles per hour there. Here's the 7-day forecast. So our temperatures today, lower 40s. Check out the high Saturday. We'll be up near 50 degrees in the midday hours and then cooling from there back into the middle 40s. As we look to Sunday, it's chillier. Lower 40s is still above average, but winds are going to be gusting to 40 miles per hour, and that's going to make it feel in the upper 20s to lower 30s. So a cooler day Sunday. Martin Luther King Day, a mixture of clouds and some sunshine. It'll be cool and dry, low 40s for highs. We do have a little bit of light snow in the forecast from a clipper type system Tuesday night into Wednesday. Could see some snow showers with that, and you can see we're trending a little cooler by the end of next week.